Namah Shivaya children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. अच्छा, तो कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं चल रही है ना? घर पे सिर्फ मम्मी पापा को परेशान कर रहे हो. You must enjoying at your home, but children, you should also do some creative work, read story books and gain knowledge from that. So, let us start with the chapter 2 of EVS, that is parts of our body. In this chapter, we are going to cover main parts of our body, internal body parts, bones, external body parts and sense organs. Main parts of our body. The body has three main parts: head, trunk and limbs. The head. It contains important organs like eyes, nose, mouth and ears. It also consists of brain, which controls and commands the body. Brain helps us to understand what we see, hear, feel, taste and smell. The trunk. Trunk is the middle part of our body. It includes shoulder, chest, back and abdomen. It protects the important organs in our body like lungs, heart, liver and stomach. Limbs. Our arm and legs together are called limbs. Our arms are also known as upper limbs. Our legs are also known as lower limbs. Arms. Your arms connect your body at your shoulder and extends to the hand. It consists of armpit, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, hand. Hand consists of thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm and also our nails. Our hands help us to eat, write, bath, play or to take care of ourselves. We have a pair of legs. It consists of thigh, knee, ankle, foot and toes. Legs help us to run, skip, dance, kick and to perform many actions. Internal parts. It consists of brain, lungs, liver, kidneys, large intestine, small intestine, stomach and heart. We cannot see the internal parts. Bones are present inside our body. There are 206 bones in a fully grown human body and about more than 600 muscles. Do you know a baby's body has about 300 bones at birth and these bones grow together to form 206 bones. What if we didn't have bones? We look like this. Without bones, our body would be shapeless and unable to move. Regular exercise and healthy diet keeps our muscles and bones strong. That is the reason we should eat the food which strengthen our bones. For example, green leafy vegetables, curd, milk, cheese, and there are many more. Half of our bones in our body are present in our hands and feet. External parts. It consists of head, mouth, nose, neck, chest, arms, abdomen, hands, fingers, legs, feet, and toes. We can see our external parts. Sense organs. The part of our body which enable us to be aware of things around us are called sense organ. There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, which help us to see things around us, ears, which help us to hear the sound, nose, help us to breathe and smell, the tongue, help us to speak and taste the food we eat, and the skin is the outer covering of our body. It helps us to feel different things by touch and protect the organs inside our body. जैसे कि आपको पता है, लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते. हमें मास्क पहनने को कहा जाता है, हाथ को सैनिटाइज करने को कहा जाता है. आपको पता है क्यों? यस, कोरोना वायरस, कोविड-19 के कारण. ये कोरोना वायरस क्या है बच्चों? कोरोना वायरस का संबंध वायरस के ऐसे परिवार से है जिसके कारण बीमारी फैलती है. यस, it is a type of germ which spread disease. So we are supposed to stay at home and be safe. For that, we should keep our body parts clean. Let's see that. To keep our body clean, we must brush our teeth twice a day. अच्छा, आप में से कितने बच्चे रोज़ 2 बार ब्रश करते हैं? कुछ बच्चों ने मन में कहा होगा, अरे हम तो रोज ब्रश नहीं करते. Children, please don't do that. Clean your ears regularly by earbuds. Do not use sharp objects into your ears. Blow your nose gently and use a clean handkerchief or towel to clean it. The tongue should be cleaned daily by a tongue cleaner. And you should bath daily. आपके पेरेंट्स आपको रोज कहते हैं, बेटा नहा लो. ऐसा क्यों? We should bath daily to remove all the dirt and germs from the skin. In today's situation, we must wash our hands with soap or use a sanitizer. We must cough or sneeze in our bent elbow. Use mask and maintain social distancing. So children, today we have recollected the parts of our body, their function and how to keep our body clean. Read the textbook thoroughly till the topics we have covered today. Underline difficult words, learn them and write it 5 times. Practice the diagram of arms and legs. Have a nice day, children. Stay at home, be safe so that we can stop corona and break the chain.